Today is now the 7th of January 2022. Oh, what a remarkable day it is. Now, there are some things that we are going to reflect on this building. There's fire that took place in December 2018. There were a number of things happen. Our electricity was affected, the roof was affected, the entire building was affected. Everyone were wondering what next, what we're going to do, how we're going to overcome, because the building was no longer available for worship. We were ordered not to be here because it was very unsafe. With a phone call to what I would now regard a remarkable adjusting company in the name of United Public Adjuster, temporary lighting was granted because we had lost power, and we began our recovery process. Not very long after, we had answers from the insurance company, and here we are today, fully recovered from what was a total disaster.
We're here at the Manhattan Holy Tabernacle / Manhattan Bible Institute. The damages that happened back here in December 2018 resulted due to an electrical fire downstairs in the lower room. This entire stage was removed and replaced due to the water damage from above. As you can see, brand new lighting, sheetrock, paint, insulation, flooring, new stage. This entire area was removed and replaced and repainted, and they're using the space back to the way it used to be pre-loss condition. As you can see down here, we have large windows. There's about 8 large windows down here. All these windows were broken by the firemen. Since the fire and obviously the post-loss repairs, all these windows have been replaced. And as you can see, we're here post-loss. All the electrical has been replaced, all new panels. But if I had to go back in time, and you'll see the photos, there was a heavy fire down here which caused structural damage to the floor members above. The firemen were able to put out the fire, and their extinguishing efforts caused water damage throughout the entire carpet. As you can see, all the carpet's been replaced since the fire. In addition to the carpet being damaged, there was smoke throughout all the tall ceilings, as you can see here in the main sanctuary. The church had their own team come in here, clean, paint, restore, to bring it back to the way it used to be pre-loss condition.
Our firm was here for the church from the very beginning to the very end. Once the church finalized their repairs, they reached out to us, and from there we were able to retrieve any recoverable monies that were pending until the repairs were completed. With the church and our team working together, we made this a successful restoration.